Good Friday evening, everyone. We had a beautiful Friday. Sunshine, low humidity, pleasant temperatures. Unfortunately, they say all good things must come to an end. This weekend, we are going to see return to rain, and we have a lot of rain in this forecast this weekend, unfortunately. So if you're making plans, definitely have some plans to be inside, getting some indoor activities, because it's going to be a very wet weekend across the region. We'll see some heavy storms at times as well, and rain chances are in the forecast every single day in this forecast for next week. Now, the thing is, I think next week we actually get a little bit drier for a couple days where those rain chances become lower, so that's some good news, but still, very active pattern here. Look at the weekend. We have 90% chances for storms tomorrow and Sunday. A lot of tomorrow is just a very gloomy day. We'll have showers lingering for a good part of the day. Showers will start to work in about 4 or 5 tomorrow morning, and then we're just going to see these off and on scattered showers much of the day. Could even work in a couple storms and some localized strong storms as we go into later tomorrow afternoon. And then tomorrow night, we likely bring in another wave of storms. So we'll catch some breaks here and there, especially for the evening, but a lot of wet weather tomorrow. And then looking at tomorrow night, this is going from 7 p.m. tomorrow through about 5 a.m. Sunday. Notice there's a line of storms coming through late Saturday night, early Sunday, so that will bring potential for some strong and severe storms across the area with strong winds. And then Sunday, we'll get a break in the morning before more storms develop for the afternoon here. Highs will get back to the low 80s on Sunday, so definitely a much warmer day Sunday compared to tomorrow. And then next week, we'll drop those chances to only 40% Tuesday. And I think from Tuesday into a good part of Wednesday, we're going to be much drier, and then a much better chance late Wednesday and a Thursday. But highs next week around 80, lows will be in the middle 60s with high humidity as well. Expecting 3 to 4 inches of rain over the next really 6 days. It's going to cause potential for some flooding out there across the area. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great weekend.